Okay, the cold weather is coming on us, y'all. It's gonna be the last of my pepper harvest. Harvest you guys, y'all looking good there. Let me get y'all out of this cold weather that's coming. Okay. Real chilly out here tonight. Say we may be in the 40s tomorrow. At the harvest the last of my peppers tonight. Come on, peppers. Let me get y'all up here. Okay. See if I'm in the dark here trying to harvest y'all. Trying to save you from the cold weather. Okay, where you at? Okay, that's another one. Okay. Okay, two more. Okay, where the rest of you at? Come on, y'all gotta let me know where you at. I don't wanna leave y'all here in the cold. Okay, let me finish looking around this plant here and see if I can find any more jalapeno peppers here. Okay, there goes one. Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Come on. Where you at? I'm gonna leave you out here. In the cold. I see another little one here. Okay. Two more. Okay, where you at? Okay, that may be it on the jalapenos. Okay, got some bell peppers. I want to leave y'all out here because y'all just now starting to get bigger. It's going to be too cold for you guys. Might as well go ahead and take you in. Take you in small versus losing you all together. Okay. Okay, my pepper. Okay. Let's see. Just to get you little instead of nothing at all. Okay. If I can get you off of here. Okay. Got 3 of you guys off of that plant. Okay, bell pepper. See if you're gonna survive this cold. Come back and grow some more. Okay. Got 3 bell peppers. Looking at marigolds. See if y'all gonna survive this cold. Okay, have one more little small bell pepper over here. Let me go ahead and take you in too. You're not gonna survive this cold. Okay. Oh, okra, okra, okra. Let me get you in from all of this cold. Okay, let's see, any more over here? I see some flowers blooming there. I don't know if you're gonna last in this cold weather that's coming. let me go ahead and harvest you. And you, I see two that I can get now. Any more? Any more? Come on, oh, there go nothing. Okay, good thing I saw you, or you was gonna get left out here. Okay. Harvest you. Last of my okra for the season. There's one over here on this plant too. Okra plant. See that little one? I have to let you stay. But I see this one here. Look at you. You still have your little hat on your head. Let me take your hat off. Look at you. Just trying to stay warm. Put your hat on. Okay. Let me go ahead and harvest you. Bring you in from the cold. See if I can get you here. Okay, where you fell at? There you go. Okay. Bring you in. Okay, okra plant. See if you can last in here out here in the cold. The last of my pepper harvest, probably for this season. It's cold weather coming in. But it's funny. I think they said we're gonna have 3 days or so of 40-degree temperatures, and then it's gonna get back hot. Maybe the peppers that's outside, they'll survive the cold and come back and grow some more. But I don't think so. I think this might be it. Bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, and some okra. Grown in Big Mama's garden. I brought in my plants that was in containers that I could save from the cold weather. My pineapple plants, got them in. And look at here, this pineapple plant, want to let a tomato plant grow in a container with it. I think I had some tomato seeds in here that never did germinate, and they finally did. And look here, they wanna grow some tomatoes. Okay. Look at here, some more tomatoes coming up on it. Late blooming tomatoes. Okay. Little cherry tomatoes. Okay. And look at some more blooms on you. Okay, we're bringing you inside. Continue to grow. Continue to grow. Got a pineapple plant there. Brought my Jamaican sorrel in. Look at this. I need to harvest them. Oh, I saw some people channels that made some Jamaican sorrel drinks that I got the recipe down. I'm gonna make me some real soon. Yes. Got another Jamaican sorrel over here. Okay. Yeah, y'all can't take that cold. So I want y'all to continue to grow. I'm gonna harvest these Jamaican sorrel plants here real soon. Brought my basil in, they can't take that cold. Over here, I brought my pomegranate tree in, my lemon tree, and my apple tree. I want to make sure cold weather don't kill you guys off before I can get you back out into some warmer temperatures. Okay. continue to grow inside.